Hello friends, welcome to your channel Infotainment Bangalore. Friends, as we all know, this corona has affected each and everyone in one or the other way. And student community is one which has faced lots of problems by it. Everything has become virtual today and every process is conducted online. So, I am here to help you all with one such process which is online counseling for Comedk. Here is a quick guide for you all. Friends, firstly, you would have to log in to the Comedk website. Then you should click on the counseling region. Then friends, as a part of tuition fee, you should pay rupees 500 by credit or debit card or net banking. After payment, click on Documents Upload. Now you are supposed to upload all mandatory documents for verification as a single PDF file which is less than 1 MB. Now we got to know we should upload documents. Then what are the mandatory documents which are to be uploaded to the Comedk website? The three mandatory documents required to upload from your side are your original ID proof and a proof for your date of birth. Along with that, you need to upload your PUC or 12th marks card. And friends, along with those mandatory documents, you need to upload few documents if they are applicable for you. And they are SC or ST or OBC certification, Tulu minority certification if Tulu is your mother tongue, and Hyderabad Karnataka region students or candidates need to upload Hyderabad Karnataka certification. But remember friends, you should upload all the documents as a single PDF file only, which is less than 1 MB. Hope this video was useful to you all. For more such videos, please like our video, share it with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching friends. Have a good day.